Over a period of 3 years, Otis Carr had the opportunity to talk to Nikola Tesla about various discoveries during the period of seclusion at a hotel where Tesla lived in New York. From this knowledge and his understanding of the simple principles of nature, he began his investigations. The year 1937 culminated with the invention of an energy generator called Neutron and a levitating device capable of overcoming the planet's gravitational force. In 1938, Carr and his team actively made models and in 1942 reached the basic principles. In 1947, Carr finished his research on the flying saucer and tried to arouse interest from various governments and universities, but all in vain. So, he decided to patent his invention as if it were an educational and recreational device. In 1959, he registered U.S. patent number 2912244 amusement device. This patent accurately describes the proportions and design of his anti-gravity vehicle. According to Carr, the device could be adapted to machines of any size to produce continuous energy. Its immediate application would be a spaceship. He claimed that the same free energy that causes the Earth to rotate on its axis and its transition around the Sun would move a device that he described as being biconic, 2 cones joined in their circular bases. This was the central component of Carr's disk. It was called Neutron and consisted of bicons that turned in high rotation, having a hollow interior with a spherical shape. Each cone contains a semi-spherical hollow space. When the rotation of the cones reached a certain speed relative to the Earth's orbital speed, the equipment would fly. Carr also claimed that the central part of his spaceship would be a huge battery that would rotate at the ship's external speed and that it would be recharged by its movement. Any vehicle accelerated to an axial rotation relative to its mass of inertial attraction, the Earth, would immediately become activated by the free energy of space and act as an independent force. According to Ralph Ring, a technician who worked with Carr, he built some flying saucers that worked. His experiments were forcibly terminated by government agents. His laboratory was closed and all files and documents were confiscated. In early 1961, his laboratory was destroyed. His group of engineers was forced to disband and cease contact with each other, and the project was never completed.